Hi everyone. Here we are discussing about the ethics, uses and abuses of machine learning. Before we get into this, we need to first know about machine learning. What exactly is machine learning? It is a branch of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Here we are discussing about ethics, uses of machine learning and abuses of machine learning. Ethics. Ethics is, without a doubt, one of the most important topics of emerging machine learning and artificial intelligence. Let's look at the practical ways to start thinking about ethics in machine learning and artificial intelligence. First one, types of machine learning and algorithmic bias. Although there are a range of different types of bias, the first place to begin is with two top-level concepts. You may have read lists of numerous different biases, but for the purpose of talking about ethics, there are two important things to think about. Pre-existing and dataset biases. Pre-existing biases are embedded in the data on which we choose to train algorithms. Technical and contextual biases. Technical machine learning bias is about how an algorithm is programmed. It refers to the problems that arise when an algorithm is built to operate in a specific way. Essentially, it occurs when the programmed elements of an algorithm fail to properly account for the context in which it is being used. Then, uses of machine learning. We are using machine learning in our daily life even without knowing it, such as Google Maps, Google Assistant, Alexa, etc. Here are some most trending real-world applications of machine learning. Image recognition, voice recognition, predictions, video surveillance, social media platforms, spam and malware, customer support, search engine, applications or companies, fraud and preference are the uses of machine learning. Image recognition. The image recognition is one of the most common uses of machine learning application. It can also be referred to as digital image, and for these images, the measurement describes the output of every pixel in an image. Voice recognition. It helps in developing the application for voice recognition. It also referred to as virtual person assistant. It helps to find the information when asked of the voice. Predictions. It helps to building the applications that predict the price of cab or travel for a particular duration and congestion of traffic. Where video surveillance helps to detect the crime or any mishappening that is going to happen before it happens. Social media platform. Social media is being used to providing better news feed and advertisement as per the user's interest is mainly done through the uses of machine learning only. Spam and malware. Email clients uses a number of spam filtering, and these spam filters are continuously getting updated, and these are mainly done by the use of machine learning. Then customer support. Most of the reputed companies or many websites provide the option to chat with a customer support representative. Next one is the search engine. There are search engines available while searching to provide the best results to customers. Applications or companies. There are many applications and companies that use machine learning for doing their day-to-day process as it's being more accurate and precise than manual interventions. Next one, fraud and preference. It is being used by the companies to keep track of money laundering like PayPal. Next one is the abuses of machine learning. The features that make artificial intelligence and machine learning systems integral to business, such as providing automated predictions by analyzing large volumes of data and discovering patterns that arise, are the very same features that cyber criminals misuse and abuse for ill gain. Deepfakes. One of the more popular abuses of artificial intelligence are deepfakes, which involve the use of artificial intelligence techniques to craft or manipulate audio and visual content for these to appear authentic. Next, AI supported password guessing. Cyber criminals are employing machine learning to improve algorithms for guessing users' password. Successfully identify the password that corresponds to the hash. With the use of neural networks and generative adversarial networks, however, cyber criminals would be able to analyze vast password datasets and generate password variations that fit the statistical distribution. Next one, human impersonation on social networking. Cyber criminals are also abusing artificial intelligence to imitate human behavior. For example, they are able to successfully dupe bot detection systems on social media platforms such as Spotify by mimicking human-like usage patterns. Next one, AI support hacking. Cyber criminals are also weaponizing AI frameworks for hacking vulnerable hosts. For instance, we saw a Torum user who expressed interest in the use of deep exploit and ML-enabled penetration testing tool. Now we know what machine learning is and its ethics, uses and abuses. So we can conclude that machine learning is referred to as one of the great things in the field of AI. Machine learning helps a lot to work in day-to-day life as it makes the work easier and accessible. Most of the organizations are using applications of machine learning and investing in it in a lot of money to make the process faster and smoother. Thank you.